Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you three things. I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to do SEO keyword research. I'm going to show you how to then use the keyword research and work out the sort of content that you can create and get some ideas around the content, not just content that you can create, but content that will actually rank. And the third thing that I'm going to show you, which is the best thing in my opinion, is how to use AI to give you suggestions on trends that are coming up, which means that you can get ranking with very, very little competition, even in competitive industries. And you can use this to pretty much rank anything. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to use affiliate sites as a sort of example, and I'm going to show you how that works. So I'll walk you through it. If you're interested in AI, if you're interested in building an income stream, if you're interested in escaping the 9 to 5, do subscribe to the channel. I've got lots of content coming up that will help you. Check out my previous videos as well. And also, if you're interested in building income streams to subsidize your income or even replace it, check out the link below. You'll find a link going through to the AI income gold mine. It gives you 3 income streams that you can create really, really quickly with AI. These income streams I've actually created myself and built a business up from these 3 income streams, but it's made a lot easier with AI. I actually created the income stream um, from scratch before AI, and now it's made so much easier. So I'd love to guide you through how to do that. Check out the link below, go through to the sales page below, and you'll be able to see all of the details in the video. There's still a discount there, and you'll get instant access to 3 income streams that you can set up. So if you like this video, you'll love that. Okay, without further ado, so what are we doing in this video? I want to show you how you can start doing keyword research. As I mentioned, I'll just walk through that. So the example that I've used here is rowing machines, and I've actually asked, can you suggest some potential keywords related to rowing machines? So you want to do this in 3 steps. One of the best things about AI and ChatGPT is that it remembers your conversation, like the same conversation, so it will remember what you said to it before. And as you can see here, it's just given me a list of keywords and phrases that could be relevant to rowing machines. So one of the things that you want to do is not rely totally on AI just to give you keywords that are going to be great ones to go for. You'll then want to take this list and take the areas. So what I mean by that is indoor rowing is like a section of rowing machines, okay? Indoor rowing. Magnetic rowing machine is a type of rower, obviously. Air rowing machine is a type of rower. Water resistant rowing machine is a type of rower. Stamina, concept, fitness, and so on are brand names. So, sorry, not fitness equipment, but stamina and concept are brand names. So you can bear that in mind. Adjustable resistant is like a function, and so on. So you want to have a look at these sort of keywords and then run them through a keyword tool like Ubersuggest, SEMrush, Mangools tools, whatever you're using, and check out search volumes. Once you've got that, you'll have like the main area. It's actually given me 50 here. Okay, different workout plans, price, rower versus treadmill, all good, really good ideas that you can then either create keyword content from, like strength training with a rowing machine, or rowing machine benefits. Foldable rowing machine is a really good sort of idea for content. Once you've got that and you've checked out the search volumes are good, okay, the next thing that I recommend that you do is what kind of content could rank high for the keyword. And I've selected here best air rowing machine, and this got cut off here, but I'll just show you it did it again. I'll just show you what that looked like. So I asked to rank high for the keyword best air rowing machine, your content should be high quality, user focused, and rich. And you've got comprehensive review article, video demonstrations, blog post series, interviews with fitness experts. Now, one of the best things and really underutilized that you can see here that's a suggestion is this one, the blog post series, because that's a really great way. It works very much like CNET. You could do a series of blog posts covering different functions, and you could split them up a few days in between. So you could go pricing, and then you could go into function, and then you could go into customer reviews. Then you could do a blog post just on videos, and sort of embed videos from YouTube and link them all together. So that would work really, really well. So the other thing that you can do when you get to this point is actually ask, if you're not sure how to do this, you can take that and you can say, give me an idea on the blog post series. Give me some ideas for titles. Give me some ideas for content. Same for the reviews. You can ask for a breakdown of how to write the reviews. Interviews with fitness experts, you could ask for an outreach email and so on. So really, really, this one is good though. Blog post series. So that's how you can create the content. And you can obviously run through, your like keywords, individual keywords for that. Okay. Now, the next thing that you want to do, and this is the most valuable thing. What are potential future keyword trends related to rowing machines? Now, obviously, we're talking about rowing machines, but this is really powerful because, with AI, you've got here AI powered rowing machines. As AI becomes increasingly prevalent in fitness equipment, it's likely that consumers will start searching for AI enhanced rowing machines that can personalize workouts and provide advanced tracking. Now, the beauty of that is I actually ran that term through SEMrush, and there's not any searches for it. So you might ask yourself, well, what's the point in creating a site around AI powered rowing machines? Easy rankings. And the fact is that if they launch, and other products that you can think of that would use AI, like smart thermostats and so on, you can get really easy rankings and get in there before anybody else does. Another idea is virtual reality integrated rowing. Yes, you're not going to have a huge amount of searches for this, but it's a way to get in there with no competition. Another one that works really well is smart home compatible rowing machines that hook up to Alexa, Google Home. Really, really great way of getting in there with lower competition. And then eco-friendly rowing machines, portable compact rowing machines. This is another great one. You could just have a site dedicated to the travelrower.com and have portable compact rowing machine reviews. Okay. So you can see there, this is a really good, what are potential future keyword trends related to rowing machines? And obviously you could then use that for whatever niche you're exploring. So the 3 steps are, number 1, you ask for the suggested keywords. Just move this up for you. You ask for this suggested, can you suggest me some potential keywords? You're best grouping some of these and working out, are they brands? Are they individual keywords? And then running searches for them, seeing if there's any traffic for these keywords. And then you ask for the content, what kind of content would work really, really well. And then the big one, and you can ask for help with the content, by the way, as we explored. And then the big one is, what are potential future keyword trends? Really great way to start getting some rankings, even in competitive niches, and do really, really well. So that's a really simple guide of how you can perform keyword research, but also spot trends that will give you far less competition to start getting you ranked. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Do subscribe. Do check out the AI income goldmine below. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.